Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the background color of your Instagram stories when you share a post. I will show you both ways. Let's start with this one. When you share a post from your own profile, let's share from our own profile. From your own profile or one of your friends' posts, you go change share, outpost to your story, and as you can see, here is the post. And there is this background color, which sometimes is nice, sometimes you want to change it, but it's quite hard to change it by coloring it this way. It takes a lot of time, but there is a trick with which you can change it very quickly. Here is the pencil, and if you tap on the screen with the pen with the color that you choose and just hold it, then it will color the whole page. Let's see. That's it. So now everything is black. If I want to do it like green, then this way is green. Orange, orange. Very easy. And there is also a trick which you can use to have different colors, which is very interesting. Not a lot of people know this, but if you tap on any color and hold it, then you can go and choose any color. You see? So there are not only those few colors in Instagram, but any colors. So I can do it like this. So this is how you can change it. And then after you choose any background, you can also like create patterns to make it pop in. Sometimes I do it like this and then color one side, and it looks very nice. It's just another way to share your posts, a little bit more interesting, not as common. Yeah, so I could do it like this, but you can do the same thing when you are sharing your own photo in stories. For example, I upload this photo, and this way you can go even further with this trick. When you choose a background color, let's do it again, nice little pink color, and now it paints the whole picture because you uploaded it, so it works it as a background, not as a shareable post. But now what we can do, go to the eraser, let's switch to a bigger one, and just create a little window like this, which can be another interesting way to share your posts. Yeah, so I hope these tricks were helpful for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments what other tricks would you like to know about, and see you in the next one. Bye.